Dear learners, welcome to 10 minutes lectures in computer science. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about one of the aggregate functions in SQL, the count function. In SQL, we have 5 aggregate functions: count, minimum, maximum, sum, and average. And count function is used to count the number of records in a given relation. Let's see what a count function can do. Count simply accepts either star or name of the attribute as its parameter. For example, count of star or count of EID. EID is an attribute name. And in a particular attribute, if you have some records with null values, count simply ignores those tuples. And if you have duplicate values in a column, count includes those duplicate values. Count function can be used differently as per the requirement. It can be used to count the number of tuples in the given relation. Also, it can be used to count the number of records that satisfy a condition or set of conditions. It can be used to count the number of values stored in a particular attribute. Also, we can include the distinct keyword to exclude duplicates while counting the records of a particular attribute. Let's see examples of different usage of count. So count without where clause. So to simply count the number of records in employee table, we can use the query select count of star from employee. So count function is used in the select class. It's a function. We are using that count function as part of the select class. And we have used select count of star from employee. And we have 5 records in this relation. In this example, let us find out the number of employees who earns 30,000 and more as salary. So to write this query, we just fill the query template as we have seen in other lectures. So we want to display count of employees. So we fill the select class with count of star. And where do we get the information from? We need to access the employee table. So in the from class, we include employee. And what are the conditions involved? Is we have conditions, that is salary is greater than or equal to 30,000. Now let's see how the count function with where clause fetch the data from the employee table. So for the given query, the query would be select count of star from employee. We simply include a where condition. The condition says salary is greater than or equal to 30,000. When the system executes this query, it checks for every tuple the salary attribute, is it greater than or equal to 30,000 or not. If it is equal to, if it is as per the given condition, it includes that particular record in the count. Then move on to the next record, check the salary value. If yes includes the count, checks the next record. If no, it excludes. This record, we have only 27,000, so that record is excluded. It is not included in the count. The next record, 35,000, yes, included in the result. And the next record is 33,000, is also included in the result. So as per this condition, only 4 records were counted. In this example, we will see about how the count function includes duplicates. So here in employee table, we have departments, biotechnology, mechanical, CSE, and IT, and 2 records have the value CSE in the department. So it has duplicate values. We are finding the total number of departments in this institution. If I use select count of department from employee, as per the property of the count function, it includes the duplicate value. It simply returns 5. Biotechnology is counted as one department, one value. Mechanical is second tuple. Then we have CSE is third tuple, and one more CSE. Though it is a duplicate value, still it includes in the count. And IT is the next value. So it results in 5 records. So count function includes duplicate value. It does not ignore the duplicate values. We can exclude duplicate values using the distinct keyword in the query as part of count function. So select to find the total number of departments in the institution. We can use select count of distinct department from employee. So distinct keyword eliminates duplicate values, if anything, stored in that particular attribute. So now as per this query, the first record is included, biotechnology is seen for the first time. And it moves to the second record, checks that mechanical is again, it's a first time, so it counts. Third record, we have CSC. This is also for the first time, so it counted. And fourth record, again CSC comes, it is considered as a duplicate value, hence it is not counted. And fourth record is IT coming for the first time, so it is included in the count. And we have 4 records in this table as per the given query. As a final example, we see count function ignores null values, if anything. So the same query, find the total number of departments in the institution. And let us assume that department accepts null values. Hence, we have stored null in the fourth record. Department value is null for the record 4. Now, if we say select count of distinct department from employee, or just count of department from employee, in any case, it includes biotechnology and it mechanical, it's a value. Again, CSE, it's again a literal value, it is included. With the fourth record, it sees a null value, it's a keyword. Null value is a keyword and it is excluded by the count function, right? Then another value, literal value, IT. So it is included in the result. So totally it returns only 4 records. Whether or not I use distinct keyword, it's going to ignore the null value. It will not count the null value. Thank you. In this lecture, we have seen how do we use count function in SQL. For any queries, please visit the website exploredatabase.com. Thank you.